Tell me it's that deja vu, 'cause you want me and I want you. Tell me it's that deja vu, 'cause baby it ain't nothing new, no.
Hey there. I hate wearing white shirts on camera. I feel like it just sucks up all the light. Oh my god. I totally forgot my ring light. Hold on. I feel like that's not better, but okay. First thing we're gonna do is put on our wig. This is the same wig that I've been wearing for like the last month, in case you guys were wondering. It's the exact same wig, I just cut the bangs shorter. The bangs used to be like pretty long, like maybe down to here, and I just cut them a lot shorter because your girl has a very large forehead, okay? And I need something to cover it. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just start combing the hair back. I love tucking my hair behind my ears, but I literally can't without bangs because that ain't it. That is not it. So I'm just gonna take a couple bobby pins and then just tuck the hair back. So for a moment, for a while in this video, you're gonna be seeing my big ass forehead, but that's okay. Oh no, honey. Oh, should this be the before thumbnail? Today we are using the MAC Strobe Cream. I use this one when I want a bit of a glow, but not like so much, not like too much. And I always just concentrate it like on the inner part of my face, on the inside, and then work my way outwards. Okay, looking good, looking great. Today I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, my Nars All Day Luminous. And bitch, oh my god, wait for it, I'm using a brush. Oh my... What? She using a brush? She ain't never done that before. So I'm using my MAC 190 foundation brush today. Knowing me, I'm gonna get this all over my white shirt and want to kill myself. This is actually a really awesome foundation brush because it doesn't really leave any streaks. And if it does leave any streaks, it's really easy to fix. Just pat instead of swipe. And it gives a really nice full coverage look. Not really something that I usually go for, but today I just feel like it. I just feel like being a full coverage bitch. Like, bitch, cover me. This is actually so pretty. Next I'm gonna go in with my Nars Concealer and I'm just gonna highlight and conceal the dark circles that are going on under my eyes. Okay. I feel like I've been focusing more on really getting that flawless base. I feel like it really makes the makeup look, you know what I mean? I'm taking my Mercier powder to set everything. I literally use this powder every day. I always say that I'm looking for a new powder, but do I ever? No. You know what I want to try, guys? I want to try the new Too Faced concealer, and maybe I'll pick up the powder as well. And I'm just mattifying any shiny spots, especially around my eyebrows. Like, we're trying to make the forehead look smaller, okay? I'm going to be taking my NYX contour like I always do, and taking my small detail brush. I'm gonna start here under the lips. And then I'm gonna go down the nose bridge. And then I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush and contour the bigger areas. So like under my jawline, my cheeks, and my forehead. Really going for that angled, sophisticated jawline today. Then I'm going to take my all-nighter spray and just give my face a quick spray, and then we're going to get on to the eyeshadow. I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be reaching for my Too Faced palette. Are you surprised? No, I didn't think so. It's my favorite palette. I'm gonna be taking Fresh Picked, which is this one down here, and use that as outer base. I just want to let you guys know that as we are nearing 100,000 followers, I do have a giveaway planned, and My dog is currently sleeping on the package. That is where he decided to lay his head today. So if you win and you're wondering why there's dog hair on your package, that is why. That is why. I'm taking the flat side of the same brush and just going underneath. I'm feeling like a little sparkle today, so I'm taking my W Lab Pocket Shadow Palette and I'm going to take this shade here on my finger, and it's like a champagne-y kind of color. Ooh, damn. I'm just gonna sheer it out. We don't want too much bling bling today, girl, okay? Now I'm gonna take this small brush here and we're gonna dip into Peach Tart, which is this brown shade. I'm gonna go into the outer corners with that. The outer V. I'm gonna tight line my eyes with my MAC liner. I don't know how people do this without going blind, okay? Whew! I actually saw another YouTuber do this. I don't remember who. It might have been kind of cool. She basically took the Brow Contour Pro and then she just ran the highlight shade underneath her eye to brighten up the under eye. Such a subtle difference, but I like it. Then I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes. How long do you guys hold the eyelash curler here for? Because I just do it for like 10 seconds. I have no idea how long it's been right now because I've been talking to you, but I'll just hold it for like 5 more seconds, I don't know. I don't know like what the correct or standard amount of time it is to cover your lashes for. Am I doing it right? I don't know. Leave your suggestions in the comments below, friends. And then of course I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang because that's what I always use because it's my favorite mascara and I love it. Thanks Benefit. I literally own 3 of these mascaras, okay? Guys, I've been using this Lash Serum from Etude House and it's actually working. My lashes are actually getting longer. Especially this side, because this side for some reason doesn't like to grow as long as the other side. I've been growing out my lashes for a few months now and this side is just so much shorter than this side. But it's starting to catch up now. Now here comes the star of the show. This is a lipstick from 3CE and it is called Hit Me Up. First things first, we're going to apply this lipstick to our cheeks. Yes, that's right. You heard me correctly. So I just like to put a little bit like on a finger and then I just dot it on each side and then start blending. I like to go back and forth just so that I don't put like too much on one side and not enough on the other. Putting it on the tip of my nose. All around, and I'm just sweeping it upwards as well. I'm pretty much into the hairline. For highlighter, I'm gonna do MAC's Lightscapade, and I'm gonna take a really small brush and just use this highlight in my inner corner. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. Like, I've worn this highlighter before, don't get me wrong, but oh my god. The way that it goes with the orange. I was not expecting it to be this nice with the orange. The subtlety. I love it. So, now that I'm done being extra, I'm going to put on my all-nighter spray one more time real quick, and then we be done, honey. Tell me fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yeah. Man, I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. A true scammer. This is it for our really pretty orangey fall look today, guys. I haven't actually thought of a title for this video yet, so that's what I'm calling it right now. But I hope you guys liked this look. If you recreate it, definitely tag me on Instagram. Speaking of, follow me on Instagram because I'm on there every single day and it's freaking hilarious. You guys should be there. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love ya so much. Bye.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago.
Oh my god, I need to pee.
Yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before.